Hello everyone and welcome to today's video in which we're going to make the concept for the Djinn, which is the third creature that we will find in the dungeon. And for the concept of the Djinn, so this one is the final one. We will go from sketch to getting to this final version. I hope you guys will like it. If so, leave a like, subscribe if you would like to see more, and thanks for watching. Alright, so I've just finished with the color explorations. There are two colors that stand out, actually three, which are this one, and this one. So this one can work with the cave and with the sand environment. This one, not so much, because there is brown and brown, and kind of brown and kind of brownish as well. So overall, he will blend too much with the scene. Not good. This one, oh, just like this one, also pretty nice. The green will stand out a lot in contrast to the environment overall, so that should be kept in mind. And let's see, this definitely doesn't work much, which means I will change this color to become like either this one, or this one. So far I kind of like this one a little bit more than this one, because it's dark, it matches well with the concept of Djinn, so I will move on with this one. As our video comes to an end, we can look back at some of the things and decisions that I took afterwards. For instance, when a little bit earlier, this is what the concept looked like. I added some, you can see here, some of the areas got a little bit lighter. I also added this dirt because it will not make much sense for a Djinn to be this clean inside a dungeon. So I added some dirt in order to make it a little bit more cohesive for the setting, of course. And we started, of course, with the sketches. So some basic sketches. first it was this one, the arms, and then this one. This is the idea with this one, is to have one that has a scarf and we can see a face behind, as if it's a human that is behind, with glowing red eyes. This one, no face, just a hoodie and some sort of tank top or semi-tank top with this. I liked the idea of this part. So when I went to this one, I moved on to have the no face, of course, but I kept the glowing eyes of this one because I like this. For the armor, you can see that the upper part here, actually all of this part is highly taken from this one, and this part is like a mix between a little bit of this and a little bit of that, which in the end I went on to do some colors exploration, starting with the blue one, which is the first one that I started with. So after doing the blue one, I decided to check or to see if a greenish version would be nice. I got this result, which I kind of like it. The ones that clicked most with me were the green one and the black one. This one is nice, however, he will blend a little bit too much with the environment, same as this one. This one is too eye-catchy. It's nice, but a little bit too eye-catchy. So I ended up going for this one, which gives us this in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you were looking forward to the next one, which will be about the 3D, or maybe I will take a small break from this. I will share a couple of art related stuff. I will do videos about maybe environment and sketching and things like that, and afterwards, maybe after 2 videos, I will come back to the project again. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If so, leave a like, and thanks for watching. Cheers.